Central Georgia until 5:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Decatur, Jonesboro, Peachtree Corners, City of South Fulton, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, East Point, College Park, Chamblee, Dorville, Clarkson, and Laurel. AFEMA is reporting rapidly worsening conditions with flooded roads and creeks. Turn around when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flooding caused